So once you open out your email app, then this is what you see. You will see the accounts that you have set up onto the left side, which you can choose to use. And then you can click over here on the top on others to view more mails if you do not see it directly in the focused area right here. So depending on the mail, you will see all of the mails right here if you were to receive it. But if you want to send a new mail to others, then you can go around and click on new mail right here. So depending on what you choose, which email account you choose, the new mail will be created from it. So in the from section, you'll see the address you'll be using to send the email. So I'm going to go around over here, click on new mail, and now you can see that it says tutortubechannel@gmail.com. So if you want to, let's say for example, mail out to other people, you type in the email address right here and type in the subject and type in whatever you want. Then you can even format the email out, as you can see, according to what you want, and then send it out, and the email will be sent to the other person. And that is how you can utilize the mail app to check and send emails inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.